Hey guys, what's up? It's the Lightspeed Cubing here. And so today we have a new package to unbox. This is the MGC 2x2, not the Elite one sadly, but it's a pretty good cube and this is gonna be my new 2x2.
I gave you my heart.
So let's get right into the unboxing and well, let's just open this up. I think you just pull it out from here or something. Okay, this is tough. And the box size is pretty different, I guess, and irritating. And I think we can just. What is this? Oh my god. How do you open this thing? So, I can't open it. I'll get back in 1 second after opening this. So it's a normal opening and stuff, and then we can just see what's in the box. We have some springs and what it seems like some washers, so springs are later, and some random plastic thing, and I guess this is a small solving tutorial. And so let's get right into the cube. Some random plastic thing. And I hate these random plastic things. They're not easy to remove normally. At least this one went easily. And okay, I think I might need to remove this other side also. I give up. Make some small cut and just tear it apart. Yeah. So from first feeling only I can just tell this plastic is very different. And let's just look at the shades. So I like this white shade. Yellow's kind of transparent / translucent. Blue's great. Green looks kind of light but it's not that much. Red's also pretty good. And orange, just like yellow, is kind of transparent. So back to the cube. Let's do some first turns. Oh, those magnets are strong. It feels kind of dry, if you can hear that, and its noise is kind of different, I'll say. So I'll put in some lube for that, and let's check out the corner cutting. So 45 degrees. Oh, okay, 45 degrees it does, but with a little force. I don't know why it's having kind of lockups, or is it just the magnets? And let's go above 45. So a little above 45 it kind of corner cuts. And reverse. Okay, reverse is pretty good. And yeah, so let's just scramble it up a little, and then I'll just get my computer and we'll do some first solves. So let's just check our first solve on this cube, and I think I'll do a white side. So I can just, and then so that was my first solve on this, and I'm a pretty slow 2x2 solver. I have not yet practiced 2x2 and this feels kind of out of control, so I'll need some getting used to it. I'll put in some weight 3 just to make it a little bit more controllable, and yeah, then we'll check out what other solves go as. So I've just disassembled it a little, and it's pretty lubed on the edge pieces. Not as much on the corner pieces, but alright. These corner pieces seem to kind of go very deep inside instead of the normal way. And the magnets will be over here. So we can just open this up and check the magnets. Normally 2x2s kind of go for a double magnetic setup, but this one has gone the other way and made just a single magnetic. but it's alright for me and it's pretty fast anyways. So I put in some lube in it and stuff, and now it's time to do some sols. So I think I'm going to do on the orange side, most likely. Yeah, orange it is. So let's just check this one has to go on that side, so I'll just put it like this. This one I just made a big mistake. Why did I do that? Okay, then I need to check the red thing. It's kind of become better with the weight 3, so that it's slow down and stuff. And yeah, so I'm just gonna shuffle it down an average of 5 just to make it traditional, let's just say. And I think I'll put it on this side. So I think, yeah. And I've not learned Ortega or any fast 2x2 method. I just use my CFOP algorithms on this. And yeah, so I will be kind of slow, but I don't care about it, slow or not. Soon enough I'll be learning different methods for the 2x2, as now I've got the cube. And yeah, next on, and this one's a T-perm. Yep, that's a +2, but who cares? I just shuffle it down. And okay, this might go badly. Oh god. Okay, I'll just do this and then this, and then I'll go with this, and then I'll just do. Yeah, so I like this cube a lot because especially when you put in the lube in it, it's pretty controllable, and I like the strong feeling of the magnets. And yeah, it's a pretty great cube. I suggest you should buy this. And I just realized it is a removable sticker, so that just makes it even better. And yeah, so I suggest you should buy the MGC 2x2. Even though the elite version has come out, I feel like it won't be as good as it will, as the center and edges have magnets. It will kind of wobble around in there, and that will cause corner cuts to happen. And when corner cuts happen, it kind of gives you a burst of a movement, so it's not some normal movement. And well, I'll recommend the MGC 2x2 more than the elite, but I have not tried the elite, so I don't even know. So yeah, because I'm just a bit too lazy to just remember these specifications, so you can just read them here. It's made by YJ, so 50 millimeters, and it's 67 grams. Okay, and then color scheme is full bright shades, at least for my stickerless version, unless the color scheme for the black base, which is half bright. And it has just one manual, springs, magnets, and the cube. Yeah, so that's the specifications. And what about the price? It comes at a pretty cheap rate for $10, and it's pretty good for $10, especially compared to its competitor, which is the Valk 2M, I believe it's called. And it's for, how much was it? Oh yeah, it's for double the price of the MGC 2x2, which is $20. And yeah, it's a pretty great cube for just $10. And well, I'll suggest it to everybody who wants to buy a new 2x2. So thank you for watching this video, and please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and also leave all your doubts and whatever questions you have about the cube in the comment section below. And also you can turn on the notifications so that you'll be reminded if I'll be uploading any new video any sooner.